LPG 14. Many ship owners thinking towards going to Spanish language, but then LPG, not many Cuban and Venezuela experienced, and those cannot get US visas. So others are just thinking in a Peruvian pool of officers, let's say for about 10 LPGs, because there is an experienced pool of officers. We can mix them with Panamanian junior officers, and then we have Honduras, Panama, Peru ratings. But it's very important for you, dear ship owner, if trading with America, because USA exports are growing huge, 100% today. So could we think different? Panama junior officers and Honduran ratings mixed with the rest of Latinos, plus Peruvian experienced LPG, let's say 4 years in rank. We could have them from 11,000 US dollar, 11.5. Yeah, it's very competitive if we compare with India, with Filipinos. But I know that your crew management team will not change or adapt to these new requirements. Why? Because there is a surge, there is a growth in exports of gas from USA. And should we have these policies for 20 LPGs, that was the starting point. Then also we have the second engineer and chief officers 9.5k US dollar. I know that your Indians are much higher, so we could really go in the middle, in between. But the main thing that Candina is looking after, and the main thing that you, ship owner, I guess, you're looking after, and the main thing that the officers and crew in Latin America are looking after is stability. So let's have really a tailored plan to keep the talent, because the growth of the exports of gas from America to Europe are going to continue. And why not invest ESG, corporate social responsibility, transparency? I think USA would appreciate to have American pool of officers. It's a great opportunity to have those Panamanian, for example, 14k pool of Panama officers trained towards LPG type ships, because they have experience in containers, bulk carriers, tankers, offshore bunkers, but not LPG. So it's a great opportunity to train these Peruvian tops and with Panamanian officers and the rest Latinos that have USA visa, because invest in America, you will get much more goodwill. Thank you. Bye.